Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, this video is also related to the Australian parrots or lovebirds. You can see, viewers, this cobalt lovebird has a twig in its beak, and I have placed the dry grass twigs inside the cage. You can see them there. I have placed them, and it is their nesting season, so they are using these twigs, these dry grass leaves, in their nest. And you can see that a female is already sitting inside the nest, and they have collected twigs inside the box. Another important thing, viewers, I want to tell you that there are about 6 to 8 eggs inside the box. So it is their nesting season, and they are creating their nest. So it is better when you have birds at your home, give them dry twigs, give them dry things like those which they use for their nesting purpose. Right now, it is not possible for me to show you the eggs, but I have seen it. You can see the twigs. They have taken the twigs inside the cage. So viewers, bird keeping is a very healthy activity, and it is very amusing as well. You will enjoy when you see all these things, when you see the progress going on. And you can see this one, the male is outside the box, rather over the box, and it is quite happy, and the female is inside with 6 to 8 eggs, and they have started building their nest. Because I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, and you have learned about their habit, that during their breeding season you should place things like dry leaves, dry twigs, so that it would be beneficial, it would be helpful in making their nest. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy ever.